Let's solve one previous question of group. This question was asked in GATE CS 2014 set 3 question number 50. There are two elements x, y in a group G star such that every element in the group can be written as the product of some number of x's and y's in the same order. It is known that x into x equals to y into y equals to x into y into x into y equals to y into x into y into x equals to a, and a is the identity element. The maximum number of elements in such a group is dash. So here every elements are inverse of itself, as x into x equals to a identity element. So x is inverse of x, y is inverse of y, x into y is inverse of x into y, y into x is inverse of y into x. So here x into y we can write as x into a into y. In place of this a we can write x multiplication y multiplication x multiplication y. Now we'll open the bracket. So x into x is a, y into y is a, and we got y into x. So we found xy equals to yx, both are equal. So we don't need to write yx if we are including xy, or we don't need to write xy if we are including yx, both are same. So the group contains the identity element x, y and xy, and it is asking maximum number of elements in group. It's 4. So maximum number of elements are e, x, y, xy. We can create the composition table of this. In composition table, e into e equals to e, x into x equals to e, y into y equals to e, xy into xy equals to e. All elements are inverse of itself, and rest we can fill like x into xy. So x, then star, x, star, y. X into x is e, e into y is y. So like this we can fill the composition table. This is a group as it is closure, associative, it have the identity and inverse. Here answer is 4, maximum 4 elements required for such group. I already discussed group, just go through lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.